Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to jump right into something truly fascinating today, and honestly, incredibly important. Did you know that in heavily congested cities, emergency vehicles can lose up to 10 entire minutes just sitting in traffic? When we're talking about a heart attack or a major fire, 10 minutes is an absolute lifetime. So today, we're exploring exactly how an AI-powered smart traffic management system is clawing back those precious minutes, completely transforming our city intersections and quite literally saving lives. To really wrap our heads around the impact of this, I want you to picture a scene we've all witnessed. Imagine an ambulance just racing down a busy city street. The sirens are absolutely blaring, the lights are flashing, and you know the tension is sky high in the back of that rig. In these moments, every single second counts. I mean, the difference between life and death can literally come down to mere moments out there on the road. But then, the inevitable happens. The ambulance hits a red light at a brutally congested intersection. It's so frustrating, right? Suddenly, all that critical momentum is just halted. And you know, it's not even just the stopping itself, it's the whole cascading effect. Braking a massive 10-ton emergency vehicle, waiting for civilian cars to awkwardly pull over, and then slowly accelerating back up to speed, it costs critical seconds that just evaporate. That bottleneck at modern city intersections is a huge inherent danger for responders. And well, that exact problem is where smart traffic management steps in.
YOLO, spotting the emergency.
Okay, let's dive into this. The entire solution begins by giving the traffic system eyes. We're talking about transforming ordinary intersection cameras into brilliant instant observers using a specific tech called YOLO Object Detection. YOLO stands for You Only Look Once, and it's a super fast, real-time AI model. Instead of scanning an image piece by piece like older, clunkier systems, YOLO takes in the entire image frame in a single lightning-fast pass. It draws bounding boxes around shapes it recognizes and calculates probabilities in absolute milliseconds. So these intersection cameras are hooked up directly to a computer running this AI, actively analyzing the street in real time. And because of that incredible speed and that single-pass analysis, the YOLO AI is highly trained to spot very specific targets: ambulances, fire trucks, and police cars. It actually does this by picking up on complex visual cues, all at the exact same time. It recognizes the distinct boxy shape of a fire engine, specific neon color patterns, and the erratic flashing light signatures. By combining all those cues, it confirms the vehicle type with incredibly high confidence. As soon as it spots one of these vehicles, boom, it instantly identifies exactly what it is and grabs its precise location on the street.
Section 2. Building the Green Corridor. Now that the system has spotted the vehicle, it's time for the brain of the operation to step in. Let's walk through the real-time data processing steps. First up, the local edge computer, right there at the intersection, detects and identifies the vehicle using YOLO. Second, that local computer instantly fires off a secure encrypted data packet to the central city traffic management server. This central server calculates the vehicle's exact speed and trajectory to map out its route. Third, the server interfaces directly with the city's traffic light APIs, pushing an override command to upcoming light controllers to synchronize the green lights. And finally, step 4, it halts all cross-traffic. And guys, all of this data moves back and forth in a fraction of a second.
By executing those calculations so ridiculously fast, the system automatically creates what's known as a green corridor. And honestly, this is the genius part. This corridor moves with the ambulance. The system is dynamically adjusting the timing of the green lights ahead based on the real-time speed data it just captured back at the previous intersection. So the emergency vehicle no longer has to stop at every single block. It can just maintain a safe, continuous speed, carrying all that critical momentum all the way to the hospital or the scene of the fire.
But of course, it's not just about speeding up the ambulance. It's about comprehensive safety for everyone else, too. At the exact same time the green corridor opens up ahead, the system makes sure all cross-traffic gets red lights. It also halts pedestrian crosswalks by immediately triggering the Don't Walk signs. This creates a complete 360-degree safe zone right around the intersection. It totally removes the guesswork, the panic, and the danger for civilian drivers and walkers, completely eliminating the risk of intersection collisions during a high-speed emergency run.
Section 3. Dispatchers and manual overrides.
Now, you might be wondering, what happens when things don't go according to plan, right? What if there's a sudden detour, or maybe a malfunction in the network? Well, this brings us to a really vital component of the system, the human safety net. While the automated green corridor is incredibly efficient, it is fully backed up by a robust manual override system managed by authorized personnel, specifically traffic controllers and dispatchers. The second an ambulance is dispatched, these controllers get automated alerts on their dashboards, so they can monitor the AI's routing in real time.
So the crucial point is that humans are never fully locked out of the loop here. If a sudden road closure happens, a dispatcher uses a centralized digital interface to literally draw a new route on a map. This manual input immediately overrides the local intersection AI. They can adjust signals remotely, actively reroute the green corridor on the fly, and force priority network-wide until they decide to release it. It just ensures that even in the trickiest, most unpredictable situations, a trained human can step right in and guide the responders safely.
Section 4. The real-time impact. Let's wrap this up by looking at the broader picture. All of this, the YOLO single-pass detection, the dynamic edge-to-server routing, those dispatcher manual override capabilities, it is all happening constantly. The AI is always scanning, always adapting to the live roads. And the ultimate results of this seamless blend of high-speed AI and careful human oversight, well, they speak for themselves. When you cut out those intersection wait times, you shave vital minutes off response times. In cases like cardiac arrest or severe trauma, even a 2-minute faster response can radically increase survival rates. We get safer roads, fewer secondary accidents, and most importantly, more lives saved. That is the true power of smart traffic management. It's pretty awesome, right? It totally changes how you look at a daily commute. So I'll leave you with this thought. Next time you're waiting at an intersection and you see an ambulance breeze straight through a perfectly timed green light, will you recognize the AI working quietly behind the scenes to make it happen? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep your eyes on the intersections and keep learning.